Okay, so why did I get a digital microscope for wood turning? Well, I saw one being used in a video by Woodturners Wonders as they were advertising a product called Slick Stick used to clean CBN wheels, and they were using a digital microscope in that video. So I called my buddy Joe, works for Woodturners Wonders, and asked him about it, and he said he'd talk. We talked a little bit about digital microscopes. It turns out they're not very expensive at all, and the one they used had a screen. I bought one even cheaper that doesn't come with a screen. You use a laptop, as shown in this portion right here to connect. Here's my setup where I'm examining the view of a piece of sandpaper grit, and it's showing up on the screen. I can take a picture, and there's the picture of the package that mine came in. And even this little expensive one comes with its own LED light source, a ring of lights on the inside that illuminate what you're trying to take a picture of. So what am I going to use it for? Well, I figured I would use it for maybe doing a video on comparing the surface of the wood on using different abrasive products, including liquid abrasive such as Yorkshire grit and my homemade recipe. I thought I might use it for comparing edges of scrapers and looking at their burrs close up to see if we can figure out, or at least verify, what's the best way to sharpen. Thirdly, it looked like it'd be fun for my granddaughters to play with, so that was the justification. But they're not real expensive, and I'll have a link to one actually in the show notes. So stay tuned. I'll have some future videos using this digital microscope. Y'all stay safe. Come on back here.